The daily code snippet. An attribute name describes the kind of information being applied to an element. For example, the name lang or lang is for language and generally sets the language for all the text on a web page. But if part of the text is in a different language, you can add a language attribute with a different value to just the element that surrounds that particular content. The values are predefined and follow a stipulated format. EN-US for US English, FR for French, ES for Spanish or Español, DE for German, ZH for Chinese, AR for Arabic. Presented by Designers Learn Code.